are you?
Not too bad. How are you?
I'm fine.
Great. My name is JD Dacosta, or JJD. I'm a singer and producer from Cologne, and I do kind of like Afrobeat mixed with amapiano and three-step.
So where are we today?
We are at the Rhein now in Südstadt of Cologne, one of my favorite places because you have the river and you have a lot of beautiful places where you can go and just ease your mind, you know. For a long time, it was a home. I always went for jogging here. Also made my plans for my career here, walking here and just wandering around, you know. It calms me down, you know, to be here. Even the city is busy, but here at the Rhine, I always feel like I'm on vacation or something. Yeah.
So how did you come to Germany?
I actually was born in Germany,
Oh, my bad. Sorry. Okay.
uh,
Yeah.
and my parents came in the late '80s. They came actually to Germany.
From which
So
country?
from Congo,
So you grew up in Germany.
I grew up in Germany. Like I know Germany.
You are
I
German.
am German
Yeah.
actually. Though I was born here and I'm German, I was still feeling very African because the way I was seen on the street as well, and in the school, and or first of all in the kindergarten, you know, and then at the school, I was never German, you know.
Uh-huh.
Be careful.
So
Yeah,
how was your childhood?
my parents always took care of us and made sure that nothing was missing. I'm very lucky and I'm blessed to have like a lot of siblings. We were always very close, but this was like the bubble we had at home, you know, like
Mm-hmm.
my parents, my
And
siblings, but
outside people like in your school or was growing up as a young person?
my neighborhood was fine. Was actually really nice because you didn't have everything, but the environment was nice. It was
Were
nice to
people
grow up.
more open than they are now, or were there problems at that time?
You
How would
had,
you compare then or now?
yeah, we had problems. We had a lot of problems, but my parents made sure that they made sure that we got like the mindset also to defend ourselves, you know. We were very conscious about who we are.
Hatred you faced in your schools or
No, it wasn't easy. Like
uh-huh.
in the kindergarten, the first thing I remember actually was like the N word,
Mm-hmm.
uh, which got thrown directly into my face. And I didn't know what it was or what it meant, but I felt actually that it was like a very bad word which was affecting me.
Mm-hmm.
So
And how
then,
do you feel? Sorry to cut you.
yeah, no problem.
These days it's used like as a slang and cool word also. So how do you feel people using it right now? Because it bugs me also.
For me, actually, it bugs me too. But I understand why people doing it because they're trying to take the power of it. Like when black people say it, I'm okay with it. But it's not that I like to listen to the word.
Mm-hmm.
I, I don't think even if you take the word and trying to put it into something positive, that it will turn positive
Mm-hmm.
because the story is there.
Mm-hmm.
So
Do you think that black guys, young guys, or colored people do understand the sensitivity of this?
all in all, people don't know the power of many words we actually use nowadays, what kind of power or energy they have, and how they affect their lives.
So do you consider yourself European or African?
I consider myself
Where do you relate or connect more?
as an African.
Uh-huh.
The way I was socialized is European, but um, the way I am, like the essence, is totally African.
Those two continents or the cultures can coexist.
I think, yeah, they can. I'm an example for it.
We see so much going on, specifically in Germany. Given that situation, this is possible.
That's a tough question. We used to listen to a lot of Congolese music, yeah?
Mhm.
And my parents also used to talk to me just in Lingala. Be careful. There's another one. I'm not really political involved. I
Mhm.
know that my people are suffering. If there would be like a charity event for Congo or something, I would go. But it's not that I talk about.
How's life in Cologne for you?
I like living in Cologne because it's a very open-hearted city, you know?
Mm-hmm.
The people are very friendly and you can connect very fast to people. If you come from a foreign city and you are here and you're also open and for a week you can already make like a lot of friends.
What is home or homeland for you?
The first time I felt at home actually was when I went to Congo. I still haven't found what I'm looking for, and I think home is what is inside myself, you know? I'm not there yet.
Quite noisy.
We might sit there, but
How easy it is to be a musician.
father and my mother, they were always listening to music like all the time, and they always had parties at home and stuff like that. Then I went into a casting show. I was like 14,
Mm-hmm.
and I made it very far. Was dropped out, and then started producing. And while starting producing, I developed my own style and everything, and started also producing for artists which were well known actually. It was not an easy way because you always have to try, work like day and night to make sure that your sound is nice and everything, and that people also appreciate you. So you have to pay the dues.
But do you remember your first gig or first concert?
First performance was when I was 9 years old, and I didn't even have like instruments or something. I just sang it like a cappella, and that was like the first performance I ever had in my life. So
Mm-hmm.
it went very well.
Mm.
Don't think about money, don't think about success. Start to create, start to build like a sort of fan base. Show your music to the people who surround you, your classmates, or your friends, and they will spread the word when it's good. Start with social media, start posting your stuff.
Somebody wants to pursue a career,
Yeah,
if
okay.
there is an Ausbildung or anything.
No,
So what is the path?
let me be honest. Like after my A levels, after my Abitur, I started studying, but I was still doing music, you know. So try to pursue your dream. Try to. I was trying to live my dream, but besides that, I was still having a plan B. If you love someone or if you love something, you will not give up because there's like an obstacle or something like
Mm-hmm.
that. Even here now, you see the kids are skating and everything, and they also like fail sometimes, but it's not holding them back from stepping back on their skates and keeping on trying the tricks, you know. And that's the way we do it also in music, just keeping on and not losing the faith, you know.
What are the best ways to earn being a musician?
Develop your social media game. If you're a producer, there are many platforms where you can sell your beats and earn money. Try to mix or master for people. There are like few jam sessions here in Cologne, and you get like the right promotion as well, and you can perform in front of um, hundreds of people, which gives you already like even if you're an unknown artist, you can, if you're good, you can perform. You
Mm-hmm.
know, that's really good actually.
How politically or socially relevant the music should be?
For myself, music always has needs to have a message. My music, there's always like a Congolese influence in there. You will hear the cadence, you will hear the way I pronounce words. Because, for example, my first two singles, like the videos, I shot them in Congo. So I was there with my people, the whole neighborhood where my parents used to live. They were involved into the video, you know, and that was already like a big thing for me, and it was a big thing for them as well because they always have seen artists coming to Congo but not working with them or not putting them into scene. But for me, it was like keep on doing what I do because I know that my people over there, they are actually loving what I'm doing. So yeah, I don't think language is a barrier. When I sing a song, for example, in Lingala, and it touches you, you don't first of all you don't care about the lyrics maybe afterwards, but the first time you will listen to it you'll be like, okay, that sounds beautiful, and afterwards you'll be like, okay, it's beautiful and I also want to know the lyrics, and then it turns out to be like, okay, now it's important to actually know what he's speaking about. But
Mm-hmm. And do you sing in your own
I,
mother tongue as
I,
well?
I sing in in German and in Lingala.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And which songs are more popular or click more with people?
Uh, my audience, they don't care actually, and also my songs which are in Lingala, they are also played on radio.
Mm-hmm.
And as an artist, as an Afrobeat or Amapiano artist, I can say that I was the first one who was played on radio um, with the song in Lingala.
Mm-hmm.
So that's for me, it's like
So
a
for
great thing.
others, you think that there are not
Be
many
careful.
opportunities?
There are opportunities, but you need to know the way. You have to struggle your way in.
Tip for the local artists who want to like exposure on radio?
You need to make sure that you find out the addresses of your local radio and always send them mails, call them, try to find out telephone numbers, call them, write them emails, whatever it is, maybe every week. And on some days
Personally,
they're
can you
gonna.
do, or you need to have a manager?
No, you don't need a manager. I do my EPKs, like my electronic press kits. I do them by myself. I do my videos by myself. I do my productions by myself. I do anything.
Mm-hmm.
So you don't need a manager. Just need passion. Take your time and do the right moves. If you fail, stand back up and keep on doing.
Advice or tip? How can one make a rap song?
There's no formula of writing a rap song. I mean, like I grew up with rap music, especially with the hip hop culture, because um, that was the thing we were looking up to. You know, the hip hop artists in America. As far as here in Germany, we didn't really have like black role models. Those artists in America, they were like, yeah, that the thing and the role models for us.
Tip to be a songwriter?
Write down what you are facing, write down your inner thoughts or like your challenges you're facing as well. When they hear it, they get like inspired, and you give them the feeling actually not to be alone, and that what will make you a good songwriter, to make people feel and vibe with what you are saying. Just be authentic.
Do you think that people have certain expectation?
Don't let people put you into a box. Like, do whatever you want to do. You have to do music which just POCs like, or just African people like, or Turkish people like, or whatever. It comes from yourself, like from the gut, and it's authentic.
Violence in the music, especially
Violence.
rap music. What would you say about it?
It's about violence and obscenity. It's also like a lot what the industry is portraying, like about hip hop or like music in general. What is being pushed outside and what's very successful is violence, obscenity, sex, and putting out girls like an object or whatever. I think it's very important to keep that in mind. Things are just being pushed because it's a trend.
Music scene in Cologne.
What actually is really missing in Cologne is like Thai community concerning music. You have like niches who have their jams, but there's no really coming together, you know. That's what's actually missing. We need to push people who are doing the same thing as we are doing. Otherwise we will not be recognized by someone else. So
Questions. Favorite musician?
Marvin Gaye,
Being black in Germany means
being a human being as someone else is also.
Kanye West should the blanks.
I don't want to talk about him.
Uh-huh. Lamar or Eminem?
Kendrick Lamar.
Taking selfie in Germany.
Showing off in Germany.
I can't go out without three things.
My earrings. Lip gloss, not lip gloss, but Vaseline. My phone.
Okay. Gen Z in Germany.
Crazy, like in a positive way.
Okay. Deutsche Bahn.
Late.
Insulting words for foreigners.
Kanake. Word. Scheiß, Drecks, Ausländer.
Best place to eat African cuisine in Cologne.
Afro soul food.
You would suggest people to go out in Cologne. It could be anything.
You should check out Südstadt, just because of food spots, chill places, and good environment just to ease your mind. Tourists who are coming to Cologne go out at Brüsseler Platz, belgisches Viertel.
Best place to shop in Cologne for newcomers. Like who are
Wave Jam.
sorry?
Wave Jam.
Germany or
Congo.
So, what would you choose?
Congo.
Women in Germany,
Not respected the way as they should be.
people on social media,
Don't live in reality.
reels and TikToks are
Confusing.
watching movies or reading books,
Watching movies.
minimalism or luxury.
Minimalism.
Okay, people should stop.
Hating.
I love to wear.
I love to wear nice clothes.
3 things I always have in my closet.
Tank top, hoodie, and some long leg trousers.
Doner or currywurst.
Döner.
From your native language that comes out naturally.
Biloba.
And what does it mean?
Like talk.
And 3 things from Congo that everybody should know. Positive thing, good things.
Gwanga, the Congo River, and the music.
Essential German slang words everybody should know.
Krass. Gönn dir. I don't know.
Diversity in Deutschland.
Is not there yet.
Strangest German word.
Bauchspeicheldrüse.
And what does it mean?
Pancreas.
Difficult word.
That's isn't it?
Okay, German languages.
Difficult.
Tip to learn German.
Just talk German. No matter if you're wrong or right, just speak it.
Things you should be aware before coming to Germany.
Be on time. Be polite.
And one thing that you can do in Congo but you can't do in Germany. Example, kids can't die
Okay.
in Germany.
I can just shoot a video on the street and the whole neighborhood will be involved.
Okay, what is Talahon? Talamon to Talahon. Can you explain? Is it an insult
It's actually like
or is it a slang? Yeah, clear it for me personally.
actually the real meaning of Talahon means like come here, yeah, come on. But the way it's portrayed now, it's actually insulting
Mm-hmm.
because Talahons is like
So it's an alternative word for
for
Kanakwe.
Kanakwe, yeah.
Thank you, JJ, for your time. It
Thank
was really
you.
wonderful talking to you.
It was nice.
I hope you were also not bored.
No, it was totally fine.
Ein Name, der ich weiß, woran ich bin.